Once again, hello everyone. My name is Andy Pasion, the CEO of Andy Pasion Asia Training Institute and the founder of International Permanent Makeup Association. Now, we are holding a second evolution of permanent makeup instructor. What's the difference of permanent makeup instructor in our evolution? We have almost 200 pages of book na ating na-research, na pag-aralan ng matagal na panahon, and then we compile it into one book para sa inyo. About evolution, ang interesting dito, the technique was different from the basic to fundamentals to advanced stranding and some elements of art. Ngayon, nakikita nyo sa background natin kung paano sila mag-actual demonstration sa kanilang instructor while sila ay ginegradean through consultation of client, measurement, how to handle client with different kinds of skin type, and then syempre kung paano ang tamang technique ng pagmamicroblading. So para sa mga gustong mapaunlad ang ating skill sa permanent makeup na nakakaisip din para magturo, this is the time para kayo ay matuto ng trainers of trainer.
Hello, this is Master Instructor Joy E. Jimenez. I am the founder of Eurobrows International PMU Academy, registered in Amsterdam, Netherlands. Recently, I registered it here in the Philippines before we trained for other masters and artists as well. We are now on the second batch of evolution of the International Permanent Makeup Instructors. Our aim in forming the evolution is to train elite masters, for those masters to train better students, give more information, and revolutionize the training of PMU artists. For inquiries, please PM me on my messenger, Joy E. Jimenez, or find me on my Facebook on the same name, or get in touch with Apati Inc. Thank you, and we hope to see you in January or February on our next training session.
I'm Bridget Aquino. I'm a nurse by profession, and I've been in the PMU industry for almost a year. And talagang naghahanap ako ng instructor course, and I found the evolution.
Hi, I'm Laline Ariola. 3 years na po akong nasa IPMU, pero this year ko lang talaga siya pinupush.
Hi, I'm Maris de la Cruz. Nasa PMU industry na ako for a while. Right now, nag-enroll ako sa Evolution to take it to the next level.
And during our trainings, marami akong naging realization na PMU is not just a money-making business. Na every work is an art, na ibibigay mo talaga yung heart.
Actually, super saya niya. Yung first day pa lang po namin talagang super excited. Then, ayaw na namin tumayo kasi gusto namin matapos lahat po nung natututunan namin. Kahit gabihin na po, super.
At aside sa super worth it na learnings, nakahanap ako ng isang pamilya through my instructors, classmates, and every stop. Ang saya, nakaka-overwhelm.
And dito ko na-feel na kung dati, ako ay feeling ko, technician ako, dito ko na-feel na ako ay isang artist. Kaya sobrang super thankful ako sa aming apating Grandmaster Andy Pasion, Eurobrows Grandmaster Joy Jimenez, na detailed sila magturo. Yung lahat, kumbaga sa amin, yung mga dating natutunan namin, mas marami kaming nalaman. And hindi sila madamot sa mga information. Kaya sobrang super worth it yung training namin dito.
Si Miss Joy po and Sir Andy is super bait po nila. Tapos pinupush po nila talaga kahit medyo super mababa po yung confidence ko. Sila po yung nagpupush sa akin.
Kay Sir Andy, thank you sa lahat ng learnings na itinuro niya sa amin, na kahit minsan di namin nakukuha, pinagtsatsagaan niya kaming turuan. Kay Master Joy, ganun din. Hindi sila tumitigil. Hanggat hindi namin nakukuha yung isang kahit sa kalit-liitan. Nagtsatsaga sila para sa amin.
Thank you kay Sir Andy kasi and kay Ma'am Joy kasi hindi sila kumbaga sa madali silang ma-approach. Hindi sila yung mahihiya kang magtanong, hindi ka mahihiyang magpaturo, kung magkamali ka, okay lang kasi kung halimbawa may mali kang nagawa, talagang itatama. Yung hindi ka talaga nila titigilan, talagang sosuportahan ka nila.
To Sir Andy and Miss Joy, thank you po sa lahat, sa tiwala niyo po sa akin na kaya ko pong gawin lahat po nung feeling ko na hindi ko kayang makuha. Thank you po.